Good morning, my dear students. Standard 3rd. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. So students, today we are going to learn a new chapter. And the chapter name is The Magic Kettle. Students, I request to everyone to open your English Balbharati textbook. In that, open the page number 85. Chapter number 38, The Magic Kettle. So students, in this lesson, we are going to learn that a tanuki is a small, furry, dog-like animal found in Japan. There are many imaginary stories about this playful little animal. It is believed in the stories that a tanuki can take the shape of anything or any animal. So here is the story about a tanuki and a peddler called Jimu. So students, everyone understood what we are going to learn in this story? Yes. So here students, as I told you, you have to open the page number 85. On the starting 4 line it is written that a tanuki is a small furry dog-like animal found in Japan. There are many imaginary stories about this playful little animal. It is believed in the stories that a tanuki can take the shape of anything or any animal. Here is a story about a tanuki and a peddler called Jimu. So here students, now let us start with the story. So here the very first line. Once in a country of Japan, there lived an old man. जैसे एक कंट्री है जापान, आपने सुना होगा बच्चों, एक कंट्री है जिसका नाम है जापान, वहां पर एक बुजुर्ग आदमी रहता था. Once in the country of Japan, there lived an old man. Once in the country of Japan, there lived an old man. So here, this is the place. As you can see, it's a Japan. Now here in this house, there is one old man. Once in the country of Japan, there lived an old man. Students, by observing the picture, yes, you can see one old man. Yes? Okay. Now the next line. So here, he lived in a beautiful house high up in the mountain. So here the old man lived on the top of the mountain. There is a beautiful house. In that the old man lived. जैसे कि ये बुजुर्ग आदमी कहाँ रहता था? पहाड़ के ऊपर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा घर था. उसके यहाँ पर वो रहता था. उस घर में ये इंसान रहता था. He was proud of his house with its white straw mats and pretty papered walls. So here the old man was very proud of his house because on the floor there is a white straw mat was there and on the wall there is a design paper. It was too pretty. जैसे कि ये बुजुर्ग आदमी अपने घर को लेकर बहुत ही उसे घमंड था, प्राउड था कि उसके घर तो बहुत ही सुंदर है और उसकी जो वॉल से दीवार थे उसमें बहुत ही अच्छी खूबसूरत सी पेपर से डिजाइन पेपर्स और जो फ्लोर था वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा था. फ्लोर में क्या था? एक वाइट मैट था, सफेद कलर की चटाई और वो भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत थी. राइट? In warm weather, he slid back the wall to let the smell of the trees and the flowers come in. So here students, it is a time of a warm weather. मौसम बहुत ही अच्छा था, right? He slide back the wall, और वो बैक साइड अपने घर के पीछे तरफ वो जस्ट गया, right? On the wall to let the smell of the trees and the flowers come in. So in the warm weather, he slid back the walls and let the smell of those flowers as well as the tree. So when he went backside to the house. In the backside of the house there is a garden. There is a huge garden, and from that garden he is thinking that the slide of the smell of the beautiful flowers and trees should come inside the house. So students, now move to the third stanza. One day he was standing looking at the mountain opposite when he heard a kind of rumbling noise in the room behind him. He turned around and saw a rusty old iron kettle in a corner. How the kettle got there, the old man did not know, but he picked it up and looked it over carefully. Now students, this paragraph indicates that one day he was standing looking at the mountain opposite. So students, here the old man is standing. One day what happened? The old man was standing at the mountain in the opposite direction when he heard a kind of rumbling noise in the room behind him. Students, what is the meaning of rumbling? Rumbling means making a low, continuously sound. So here, when the old man is standing, right, at the mountain, in the opposite direction. So what he heard? He heard a rumbling sound from his room, right, behind to him. जैसे कि ये बुजुर्ग इंसान पहाड़ पर खड़ा था. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि ये बुजुर्ग इंसान का घर कहाँ पर था? एक पहाड़ के ऊपर था, और उसका घर बहुत खूबसूरत भी था, राइट? तो वो पहाड़ के ऊपर खड़ा था. उस समय उसको एक आवाज आई जो कंटिन्यूसली आ रही थी, स्लो थी बट कंटिन्यूसली आवाज आ रही थी. कहाँ से? उसके घर के पीछे साइड से, राइट? He turned around and saw a rusty old kettle in a corner. So when he saw that there is a rusty old iron kettle, it is in the corner. Rusty means old, covered with a rubbish layer found on old iron object. तो जब जो ये व्यक्ति था, जो ये इंसान था, बुजुर्ग इंसान, जब वो टर्न हुआ, जहाँ से साउंड आ रहा था वहां पर वो टर्न हुआ, तो उसने क्या देखा? वहां पर एक ओल्ड आयरन केटल, जैसे चाय की किटली होती है, जिसे आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? जैसे वो किटली वहां पर कोने में रखी हुई थी. रस्टी मीन्स थोड़ा सा उस पर जंग लगा हुआ था, राइट? How the kettle got there, the old man did not know, but he picked it up and looked it carefully. So here students, the old man did not know how the kettle has came over there, but what he has done, he has picked that kettle very carefully. Students, जैसे कि यहाँ पर जो व्यक्ति था, जो इंसान था, जो बुजुर्ग इंसान था, उसे नहीं पता था कि वहां पर वो किटली कैसे आई, बट उसने क्या किया? उस किटली को उठाया, अपने हाथों से उस किटली को उठाया. As you can observe in this picture, right students? The old man doesn't know how the kettle came here, right? But what he had done, he had picked the cattle very carefully. Right, students? Now move to the next paragraph. As you can see, where I had made the blue color box, right? So here, that's a piece of luck, he said, smiling to himself. My old cattle was getting worn out, and this looks like a good cattle. He filled the new kettle with water and put it on the fire. As soon as the water in the kettle began to get warm, a strange thing happened. The man thought he must be dreaming. The handle of the kettle slowly changed its shape and became a head. The spout grew into a tail. Out of the body of the kettle sprang 4 paws. In a few minutes, the man was watching not a kettle but a tanuki. Now, students, here this paragraph indicates that that's a piece of luck, he said, smiling to himself. So here the old man was smiled and said that, wow, this cattle is good and it's my luck that I got. जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये बुजुर्ग आदमी कह रहा है, वाओ, ये मेरा लक है कि मुझे ये कैटल मिला. ऐसे ही उसने खुद से कहा मुस्कुराते हुए. My old cattle was getting worn out and this looks like a good cattle. So here the old man is saying that my cattle which I am using now, it's a worn out, and this one, the new one which I had got now, it's a good one. जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये बुजुर्ग आदमी कह रहा है कि जो मेरी किटली है वो बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी है और ये किटली तो अच्छी दिख रही है. He filled a new kettle with water and put it on the fire. So here, as you can observe, students, the old man is going to fill this kettle with the water, right, and going to put it on the fire. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो कि ये जो बुजुर्ग आदमी है उसने केटल अपने हाथ में उठाया, उसमें पानी डाला और गर्म करने के लिए गैस पर रख दिया. As soon as the water in the kettle began to get warm, a strange thing happened. So here students, when the old man had kept the water for the warming, one strange thing has been happened. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, जैसे ही ये बुजुर्ग इंसान ने उस कैटल में पानी डाला गर्म करने के लिए, तो एक अचानक से एक अलग सी चीज हो गई. The man thought he must be dreaming. What now? What happened? The old man is thinking that he is dreaming. जैसे कि ये बुजुर्ग इंसान देख रहा है, मीन्स सोच रहा है कि वो एक सपना देख रहा है. The handle of the kettle slowly changed its shape and become a head. So here students, as you can see, the kettle handle is changed into a head. Right students, जैसे कि मैंने अभी कहा था कि एक strange thing हुआ है, तो वो strange thing ये है, जब वो पानी उबल रहा था वो कैटल में, तो कैटल अचानक से उसका जो हैंडल है वो हेड में कन्वर्ट हो गया. हेड मीन्स सर में. अभी किसका सर है ये? यस, इट्स अ तानुकी हेड. द स्पाउट ग्रू इनटू अ टेल. So students, now the spot grew into a tail. So students, by looking to the picture, can you see? Yes, where the spot was there, instead of spout, now there is a tail. It converted into a tail. Right students? And where the handle is there, now in that place there is a head. And which animal it is? Yes, it's a tanuki animal, look like a fox. Right students? जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो कैटल है वो चेंज हो चुका है. जहाँ पर हैंडल था वहाँ पर उसका सर आ चुका है और जहाँ पर स्पाउट था वहाँ पर उसकी पूंछ है. ये सब चीज़ देखकर जो ओल्ड मैन है वो सरप्राइज्ड है, वो शॉक्ड है. Out of the body of the cattle sprang 4 paws, and the middle of the part of the cattle it converted into a 4 paws. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, जो बीच का जो हिस्सा था, जो कैटल का जो मिडल का पार्ट था, वो चेंज होकर क्या हो गया है, उसको 4 पैर आ चुके हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू सी? आउट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ द कैटल sprang 4 paws. By looking this all things, the old man was surprised. In a few minutes, the man was watching not a cattle but a tanuki. थोड़े ही देर में, 5 मिनट में, you can say few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, right? In few minutes, what the man has seen? The man has seen that in the place of the cattle there is a tanuki, right? जैसे कि थोड़े ही देर में वो जो बुजुर्ग इंसान था उसने देखा जहाँ पर कैटल है वहाँ पर क्या आ चुका है, एक एनिमल आ चुका है, और वो एनिमल कौन सा है? तानुकी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर? ओके, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The tanuki jumped off the fire and bounded about the room like a kitten. It ran up the pretty papered walls and even across the ceiling. The old man could not catch it. He called his neighbor for help. Somehow they caught the tanuki and shut it up in a wooden chest. Running after the tanuki had made both of them very tired. They sat down on the mat to rest. Students, now we will continue this story in the next lecture. Right students, if you have any doubt regarding the notes which I am sending you, students, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.